We live in the digital age, so whether you're backpacking through Europe or exploring the great outdoors, it's important to stay connected and charged. With that said, we believe we've designed the most technologically advanced hiking backpack ever created. Introducing the NRG Camper by GhostTech. The NRG Camper is a fully featured camping and hiking bag that integrates charging technology throughout the design while maintaining all the great features you would expect from a quality pack. The bag has a custom 16,000 milliamp battery, which locks right into the interior frame for comfort and security. With the included cables, you can charge multiple devices like your smartphone or tablet all at the same time. Going to explore nature for more than a few days and worried about running out of power? The NRG Camper includes a fully functional solar panel that comfortably fits right onto the front. This charges the internal battery using the natural power of the sun, meaning you can stay off the grid as long as you want without losing any power. We know for a hiking and camping bag that comfort is crucial. The NRG Camper features a custom height adjustment system, which is marked on the back so you can adjust it to make sure it's optimized for maximum comfort. Also, the bag is specifically designed to implement a hydration bladder so you can make sure you're drinking enough water throughout your adventure. In addition to overall comfort, the bag is highly capable for even the longest of trips, as it features numerous pockets and storage spaces. The main compartment is large enough to fit everything you'd need for a long journey. The sides are filled with pockets, drawstrings, and straps to attach various other items that you can easily access. Not only that, but the right waist strap has an exterior USB charging outlet that connects directly inside to the battery, so you don't have to fiddle around in your bag if you want your electronic devices charging but still handy. Plus, on the other side, there is an external power switch, so you can turn the battery off without even having to open the entire bag. Now, obviously designed with electronic devices in mind, you want to make sure that they will stay protected. There's a specially crafted moisture zip pocket so your gadgets will stay protected from the elements. And even though the pack is tough as nails against various weather situations, if the rain is just too heavy, there's a built-in rain cover so you can put your mind at ease knowing that everything inside is protected. Also, if you ever get stranded, an SOS whistle is integrated right into the chest strap so you can try and get in contact with others who might be near. To bring a bag with so many awesome features to life, we need the support of Kickstarter. With your help, every adventurer can enjoy the awesome benefits of the NRG Camper. Thank you.
Hi guys, we're Erica and Claire, the founders of Pica Products. We've created a line of packing cubes that are designed specifically for camping and backpacking, or really any other outdoor activity.
Living in Colorado, we spend a lot of time in the mountains. Both of us love to climb, ski, mountain bike, backpack, camp, and pretty much any other Colorado activity you can think of.
So Eric and I came up with this idea last spring. We were driving up to Vail to go camping, and she was telling me about how she was really frustrated when she was packing her backpack because it was top loading and everything was just kind of going in on top of each other. So she knew she was going to have a hard time finding certain things when she needed them, especially, when you're camping and it's dark and you just have to see by a headlamp. It's just frustrating to find things in your backpack. So I was telling her about these packing cubes that I use, and I've used them for like 2.5 years now. It's really frustrating because they're just kind of one size and you can't roll them up or compress them at all to make them smaller when they're not fully filled. So everything just kind of shakes around inside them. So we just kind of started talking and decided to build our own packing cubes.
We went through multiple rounds of research and user testing to come up with the final design for our cubes. They come in 2 different fabric options, which you can read about on our Kickstarter page. Both are outdoor specific, durable, and water resistant.
Our cubes come in 3 sizes. The small one is perfect for things like toiletries, a Kindle, your sunglasses, a headlamp, and anything small you need to keep track of. Our medium size is perfect to hold all of your clothing and layers on a 1 or 2 day camping trip or day hike. We use the medium size to hold our climbing shoes, harnesses, chalk bags, belay devices, water bottles, and snacks when we go climbing. The large size is 2.5 inches thicker than the medium and can fit up to 5 or 6 days worth of clothing or gear, depending on the activity. Together, you can fit just about everything you need for a week-long trip.
The 2 larger sizes have a unique compression system, similar to that of a dry bag, to save you valuable space when you're going on a trip. With our medium and large sizes, you'll get a pair of lightweight backpack straps so you can convert your packing cube into a day pack. The inside of each cube has pockets to keep you extra organized so you don't lose track of your headlamp, earplugs, or any other of your small camping essentials. We're offering all 3 sizes in various combinations for our Kickstarter, so you can pack smarter and camp better.
Hi, I'm Kenny Flannery, and this is the Freestyle BivyPack. The BivyPack, now upgraded, is a backpack that turns into a small bivy tent that allows you to camp virtually anywhere that you can find just a little bit of space. I've been on the road for 10 years, traveling nonstop, hiking, and tripping around the world, and I've always used a bivy while I've been traveling. They're just very small, they don't weigh too much, and most importantly, anywhere you can find a place to lay down, you can set up your bivy. So whether I'm camping with friends, at a festival, or just want to save money on hotels and hostels while I'm traveling, a bivy is usually the way to go. Every ounce matters when you're traveling or hiking. I learned that pretty early on, and most people do. You want to hike down the trail or ramble through the city without feeling some burden of a backpack. You want to be taking in these new experiences, not worried about your stuff. So I started getting rid of things early on that I didn't really need. I started finding dual purposes for other things. And it got to the point where I was in my bivy most nights, and I'd have this whole backpack next to me, my rain jacket, my pack cover, those things just doing nothing. And I thought, all of these things share a lot of the same qualities. There should be a way to combine them and avoid this redundancy, the extra weight, and the extra money of buying all these separate things. So this is when I started designing the BivyPack. The backpack by itself is pretty amazing. It weighs about just 1 pound, which, if it was just a backpack, would be pretty incredible. But the fact that it's also the tent, the poles, everything, in just 1 pound, pretty insane. Between the main compartment and the pockets on the outside for things like your water bottle or your rain jacket that you need to get to quickly, there's about 40 liters of storage, which is more than enough for extended world travel or through hiking, say on the Appalachian Trail or the Pacific Crest Trail. Yet the whole bag is deceptively slim. It's light enough and small enough to carry onto a plane instead of having to check it and pay all the extra fees for that. The pack is made with an ultralight yet durable hex grid ripstop nylon. It's all waterproof, of course, so there's no need for an extra pack cover when it rains. The adjustable carbon fiber frame flexes to fit perfectly. Plus it creates a ventilation air gap so you don't have a sweaty back if you're hiking for a long time. It's just a great backpack. And then it turns into a tent. To convert from backpack to bivy tent, The carbon fiber frame slides out to become tent poles, along with the rest of the bivy, already assembled and ready to go. The roof of the bivy is made with a new waterproof, breathable material that's very light. It's designed with a laminate that allows water vapor, like your sweat and your breath, to escape while not letting the rain in. So along with the mosquito moonroof and the new addition of a 3-stage foot vent, you're going to be pretty comfy sleeping in a lot of conditions. To save even more weight and redundancy, the BivyPack is designed to make use of your existing rain jacket as a fly. It'll clip on securely, so you'll be dry even on those really windy and rainy nights. There's no need to take out your stuff when you convert from backpack to bivy. Granted, you'll be using a lot of your stuff. You'll be inside your sleeping bag. If you're like me, you'll be using your bag of clothes as a pillow, and the rest will easily fit around your shoulders accessibly, or down in the extended pack portion still by your feet. After lots of prototyping and testing, I launched the first Kickstarter for the BivyPack in 2016. That sent BivyPacks to people on every continent except for Antarctica. So still working on that one. But since then, I've gotten feedback from all these happy hikers and travelers trying out the backpack, and along with my own experience, I've been living out of the BivyPack exclusively for years now. I've come up with several new upgrades, improvements, and we're here again. So if you'd like to back this project, that would be amazing. If you'd like to share this with someone who needs a little travel inspiration, this could be the thing for them. So feel free to do that. Thanks so much, and I will see you down the road.
Enjoy outdoor activities and want to make sure all your electronic devices stay charged? Let's meet SunPack, a backpack with removable solar charger. RFID safe pocket on the strap keeps your card safe. External USB port charges your smartphone on the move. Water bottle can be placed in the side of the bag. Quick access keyring helps to store keys. Built-in magnet will keep the solar panel stable. You can use SunPack to run electronic devices such as tablet, smartphone, PSP, DSLR camera, two-way radio, flashlight, handheld GPS, headlamp, drone, smartwatch, and other USB charged devices. Let's see more application scenarios of SunPack, the solar backpack.